My channel. In this video I will show you how to change the date format in Windows 11 using control panel. So firstly we are going to search bar. Here we'll type control panel, tap to open it. Now go to date and time, click on change date and time, then select change calendar setting. Here you will see date and time format. Under this section you will see short date, long date, short time, long time. Firstly we are seeing our Windows date like YYYMMDD. Now we change into DDMMYY. Click on it, then select DDMMYY. Then if you want to change time also, you can select from there. Then click on apply, then OK. It will effect immediately. Here you will see. And that's it. You have successfully changed the date format in Windows 11 using control panel. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe for more quick window tips. Thanks for watching.